Alright, so I had a viewer that saw the Poo-Pourri video, the unboxing and testing, and they didn't believe I tested it properly because they didn't see poo in the video. So, this is a warning, okay? There's gonna be poo in this video. So if you don't want to see poo, or diarrhea, or whatever comes out, then you're gonna want to skip this video, okay? I'm not gonna show anything like body part stuff, but you're gonna see poo in a toilet, okay? So here you go. We're gonna test out this bamboo bergamot, okay? And it said to spray like 3 to 5 times, so we'll do 1, 2, 3. Okay, see in the water, that thing's all grossly stained down there. We can get that out. You're gonna have to, if you want to know how to get that out, I have a video of that. You basically gotta drain the water. There's this acetic acid bowl cleaner stuff. You can use that, it works well. This happens when the water's been sitting in there too long with junk, like if you left pee or whatever in there, or if your water's too hard, it gets hard water stains. So yeah, see, you start getting like yellow stuff like that, or brown stuff, whatever, from the water. Alright, anyways, we'll continue. You can hear the poops. You hear that? Okay, one last time. This is a warning. You're about to see poop. So, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I warned you. Here's some poop in the toilet. It smells good. Alright, so there you go. That's the test. See you guys later. Flush it down. Bye. See ya, poops. Uh-oh. That's gonna need another flush. Alright, anyways, I'll see you guys later.